Hey there! In this tutorial, we'll continue to solve equations with a single variable on one side of the equal sign, like the one we see on screen. In this next example, your target is to get the value of y. Let's start. Here we have 2y equals 10. So this time, 2 is multiplying y. In order to have 1y on one side of the equal sign, we need to divide 2 by 2, and to have a balance, we need to divide by 2 on the other side of the equal sign. So 2 divided by 2, y, is 1y, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So our result is y equals 5. Now, the faster method. We have a number 2 multiplying y. And to get the value of y, we need to leave y alone. So that 2 needs to go to the other side of the equal sign. When we pass a term to the other side of the equal sign, we pass it with the opposite operation. In this case, it was multiplying on the left, so we pass it to the right, dividing. As you can see, we get the same result. Why does this make sense? Because by passing the terms to the opposite side using the opposite operation, we are doing exactly the same operation on the other side of the equal sign. We're just doing it behind the scenes. In your mind, you'll know why this happens. But we're not writing it down because the result is a lonely y anyways. Thanks for watching. And if this video helped you, please like it, subscribe, and share.